an important but maybe subtle misunderstanding, particularly when we're describing an accounting story of a natural person like myself or yourself, is that we tell our own financial story. You don't. You always tell the story of a separate financial entity. We call it the entity concept. We've been talking about a corporation, ABC Inc. or ABC Corporation. So clearly that's naturally separate from the shareholders. But if we're describing your financial story or my financial story, it's a little bit more nuanced, because what happens is you impute a separate financial entity. So if we're describing my financial story, it's not the financial story of Peter, it's the story, we describe the financial story of Peter financial persona. And then Peter the natural person is there. That's why, for example, equity, which when it comes to personal finances, we would call net worth. You have your assets, your liabilities, and your net worth, which is the equivalent of equity. Well, that is the financial persona's obligation to the natural person. So these definitions still stack up as long as you remember you impute a separate financial entity.